Have you ever turned on your shower only to realize the water sprays in every direction except where you want it to? Those dull, cloudy white marks on your shower head and glass aren't just stains. There's something far more stubborn. Limescale. It builds up slowly, quietly, and before you know it, your bathroom loses its shine. But what if I told you that you could bring it all back, effortlessly, using something already sitting in your kitchen? Stick with me till the end, because this isn't just a cleaning trick. It's a story about how small changes can transform not just your bathroom, but your mindset. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and turn on the bell icon, because I promise, after this video, you'll never look at your shower the same way again. Step 1. The reality check. Let's start with a simple test. Go to your bathroom and take a closer look at your shower head, faucet, or glass. See that white, foggy patch that looks like part of the metal? That's limescale. And here's the surprise. It's completely removable. You don't need strong chemicals or expensive cleaners. You just need white vinegar. Yes, the same one you use in your kitchen. Step 2. The magic of vinegar. Take a spray bottle and fill it with plain white vinegar. Spray it directly on all the affected areas: your shower head, glass, and taps. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't rush. This is where the real magic happens. The vinegar slowly softens the mineral buildup, melting away layers that took years to form. It's a quiet chemical reaction, but the results are powerful. Step 3. Deep soak for heavy buildup. For areas with heavy buildup, like a clogged shower head, use this expert trick. Take a small plastic bag, fill it halfway with vinegar, and tie it around the shower head using a rubber band. Leave it overnight. When you check it in the morning, you'll see tiny fizzing bubbles inside the bag, a sign that the limescale is dissolving. Once you remove the bag, rinse it gently with warm water, and you'll see the original shine return, just like new. Step 4. Wipe, rinse, and dry. After soaking, take a soft sponge or microfiber cloth and gently wipe the surfaces. You'll be amazed how easily the dull white stains disappear. Rinse everything with clean water to remove any vinegar residue. Now, this next step is crucial. Always dry the surfaces. Most people skip this, and that's why limescale comes back. Step 5. The lemon upgrade. If you want your bathroom to look and smell even fresher, mix a few drops of lemon juice with your vinegar solution. Lemon not only adds a natural fragrance, but also boosts the cleaning power with citric acid. The result? A sparkling, clean shower that smells like freshness and feels brand new. It's eco-friendly, affordable, and chemical-free. Proof that nature really does have all the answers. Step 6. The prevention trick. Now that your shower looks brand new, let's make sure it stays that way. Here's a simple prevention hack. Keep a spray bottle filled with a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water in your bathroom. After every shower, lightly spray it on glass doors, taps, and tiles, then just leave it to dry. This stops minerals from settling, keeping your bathroom shiny and spotless for weeks. Step 7. Eco-friendly impact. Here's another beautiful truth. When you use vinegar instead of chemical cleaners, you're also protecting the environment. No toxic fumes, no plastic-heavy products, no damage to your skin or lungs. It's safe, sustainable, and surprisingly effective. You save money, protect your health, and reduce waste, all with one bottle of vinegar. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. Leave a comment below and tell us all how you get rid of limescale in your shower. If this story inspired you to take a fresh look at your home, then hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll keep bringing you simple, science-backed hacks to make your life easier, cleaner, and calmer. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Remember, it's not about cleaning harder, it's about living smarter.